Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use American Express travel insurance. If you're an Amex cardholder or planning your next trip, this coverage can be a real lifesaver, offering protection for trips gone wrong. Let's break it down step by step so you can feel confident and prepared. First off, what exactly is American Express travel insurance? It's a perk that often comes with certain Amex credit cards, like the Gold or Platinum, providing benefits such as trip cancellation reimbursement, lost baggage coverage, and emergency medical assistance. But remember, not all cards include it, so double-check your card's benefits guide or log into your Amex account online to confirm. To get started, you typically don't need to do much upfront. If your card offers this insurance, it's automatically activated when you use your card to pay for your trip bookings, like flights or hotels. That's right. Just swipe your card, and you're covered up to the policy limits. Always read the fine print, though, as there might be exclusions for pre-existing conditions or certain activities. Now, let's talk about using it on your trip. If something unexpected happens, like a flight delay or lost luggage, keep all your receipts and documentation. For instance, if your bag goes missing, report it to the airline immediately and file a claim through Amex as soon as you can. The process is straightforward. Go to the Amex website, log in, and navigate to the claims section. You'll need to provide details about the incident, upload supporting documents, and wait for review. Most claims are processed within a few weeks. One key tip: purchase your travel arrangements with your Amex card to ensure eligibility. Also, consider adding optional upgrades if available, like premium protection for higher coverage limits. And if you're traveling internationally, know that Amex often partners with services for 24/7 emergency help, which can assist with medical evacuations or finding local doctors. In summary, American Express travel insurance is a handy tool for peace of mind on your adventures. Make sure to review your specific policy before you go, and if you have any questions, reach out to Amex customer service. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Safe travels, everyone.